Welcome to Conversion Funnel Analysis. A conversion funnel is like a pathway that shows how users move through your website or app. It starts with all the people who visit and ends with those who complete a desired action, like making a purchase or signing up. Understanding this funnel helps you see where users drop off and why. By analyzing each stage, you can identify problems and improve your results. This is essential for any business that wants to grow and succeed online. A conversion funnel represents the journey your users take from initial awareness to taking action. Think of it like a real funnel, wide at the top and narrow at the bottom. At the top, you have awareness where potential customers discover your product. Then comes consideration where they think about whether they want it. Next is the decision stage where they choose to buy or sign up. Finally, there is action where they complete the transaction. Each stage gets smaller because some users leave at every step. This is completely normal and expected. Let's break down the 4 main stages of a conversion funnel. First is awareness. This is when people first hear about your product or service. They might find you through search engines, social media, or ads. Second is interest. Here, users learn more about what you offer and whether it might solve their problem. Third is decision. At this stage, users are ready to commit and are comparing options. Fourth is conversion. This is when users take the desired action, whether it is purchasing, subscribing, or registering. Understanding each stage helps you create better experiences for your users. To measure your funnel effectively, you need to track specific metrics at each stage. Visitors per stage shows how many people reach each point in your funnel. Conversion rate percentage tells you what fraction of users move from one stage to the next. Drop-off rate indicates where and how many users leave without converting. Cost per conversion helps you understand how much you spend to gain one customer. Return on investment, or ROI, shows whether your efforts are profitable. These metrics together give you a complete picture of your funnel health and where to focus improvements. There are 2 primary analysis techniques to understand your funnel better. Cohort analysis involves comparing groups of users who visited during the same time period. This helps you spot behavioral patterns and see how different groups perform over time. Segmentation breaks down your users into smaller groups based on characteristics like age, location, or behavior. This allows you to identify which segments convert well and which ones need improvement. Together, these techniques reveal deeper insights into why users behave the way they do. Now let's discuss how to optimize your funnel to improve conversions. First, reduce friction points by simplifying forms and minimizing required fields. The easier you make it for users, the more will complete your desired action. Second, run O/B testing by trying different versions of key elements to see which performs better. Third, collect user feedback through surveys and interviews to understand their pain points and preferences. Fourth, use personalization to tailor experiences based on each user's behavior and interests. These strategies work together to create a smoother path to conversion. Building on optimization, remember that small changes can lead to significant improvements. Testing one element at a time helps you understand what actually works. Listen to your users because they will tell you what frustrates them and what they like. Use the data from your analysis to make informed decisions rather than guessing. Prioritize changes that impact the most users or the highest value stages. Even a small percentage increase in conversion rate can translate to meaningful revenue growth over time. Let's recap the key takeaways. Funnel analysis reveals where and why users drop off in your conversion process. Track key metrics at each stage to measure performance and identify problem areas. Use multiple analysis techniques to understand user behavior from different angles. Continuously optimize your funnel by testing changes and gathering feedback. Remember, data-driven decisions lead to better user experiences and improved business results. Start analyzing your funnel today and watch your conversions grow.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.